hotter than a house Negro, boiled in vats of sugar. When the field hands overrun the big house, the African stands. Face me, drop the gun in your hand, for I am you if only you were what you used to be, a sun child. For we are the evolution of melanin, the element propelling humankind higher than apes, the pyramid apex is poppy. Puerto Ricans ain't claiming me, shame to be made from slavery, but the African stands. Ask Napoleon's dead soldiers in the mountains of Haiti about a maroon slave's will to keep breathing in freedom. Allowed messages from the ancestors to the French Empire. The Shango ain't afraid to see your legions bleed, and we be the razor between your toes when you playing capoeira. A slave revolt disguise and dance, lest your feet just might get severed. But you could cut them both off and I'd still be running this, cause an African will escape on his hands. Hell, you could turn this world upside down. The African stands, burning bright as the eye of God when it bang light through the void. It's black as the death of a sun. Black like a Liberian freedom fighter with her Kalashnikov in hand, using her kinks for the rifling and her gun, just so the slugs spin faster when her rapist surrenders, taking them to hell on a bullet marked return to sender. We are the heroin Miles Davis injected back into jazz. We are the fire Muhammad Ali kept in the back of his jab. A raised glove with lightning flashing through the monsoon and rains. The first African word I ever learned was Boomaye. Give me the alchemy of a rapper taking the lead from the bullets inside of his body and melting them down into platinum records for us. It's like Bob Marley rolling up and smoking Willie Lynch's ashes, then exhaling the words of the first verse of Exodus. Movement of the people, whose very existence is evidence of a victorious situation. With the cup half empty, you can say we've fallen off from our ancient civilizations, but half full, you will see that if oppression had its way, the word Africa would conjure images of a white population. And the only place to find a black man will be on a reservation. There is no Aborigine version of Barack Obama. Yet so many of us are living contently now as 4/5 of human beings that you want to get shitty with me just because I won't piss on Europeans when lady half of you Africans stand for nothing? Well, this poem is dedicated to you, to the in denial black American who travels to Africa every time he steps in front of his reflection, to the Latinos who carry African stolen gold in their complexions, to the Congolese women who had their vaginas cut out and left alive due to tribal warfare, and the white kids who would rather die than repeat the crimes of their father's affairs. Stand with us, sing a freedom song so clear that it shatters the receiver inside Dr. King's wiretap phone, piercing the clouds and back down to the sound reverberates through the titanium of Malcolm's backbone. So Africans rise up from the Atlantic like goosebumps from your skin, lightning flashing like the flame from Huey's gun, burning bright as the eye of God when it bang light through the void. It's black as the death of a sun. Boomaye.